Well, Costco, what are you doing to me? I thought I had hauled all the ribbon from Costco that I would need this holiday season. And then I went back this weekend with my husband, and what do you know? I found more ribbon. So stay tuned to see what I caught. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. In this video, I'm going to show you some items I picked up at Trader Joe's and Costco for my holiday decorating. So let's start with the item I got from Trader Joe's. They had these packages of 8 candles. They're kind of a very light creamy color. Off-white, but they could work for white if you wanted to. And I need some more. A lot of mine are getting old and just they don't look nice anymore. So I wanted to pick up a couple more packages so that I had them. I do tend to use real candles on my dining room table. And I did want some taper candles for some of my candle holders that I'll be using in my Christmas tablescape. And then, as I mentioned in my intro, Costco had more ribbon, and it was just beautiful. They didn't have it up on the board that they usually show, that I showed in my other ribbon haul from Costco. They just put it into the display with those other ribbons that I had previously shown you. So I'm going to show you what I picked up right now. And I was holding this one up. It is a scroll pattern that's kind of glittery. It's a little hard to see because of the lighting. You can see that it's a little bit glittery red. I thought this would blend in well with the other Christmas ribbon I already got that had reds, whites, and silvers. So that's one. And then the rest of these all have gold trim on them. So because I found them, I'm thinking now of changing the ribbons that I have on my Christmas tree in my living room, and I'm going to show you. First of all, I found this beautiful print with pine cones, and I am using pine cones in my decor this year. I have a DIY video on that. I don't know if it's going to post before or after this one, but I will have them. So this one, it has gold and then kind of a muslin or burlap background on it, kind of a pale cream. And then the next one also has a similar background, but it's a little darker, and it has these beautiful poinsettias and this white scroll work. So all of these actually look really beautiful together. It's a little hard to hold them up. They're pretty heavy. And then I got one more ribbon, this beautiful traditional plaid. And I have plaid on my outdoor wreaths, and I have also bought some like weather-resistant bows for outside. I'm not sure if I'm going to use any of this outside or just use it inside, but you can see it also goes with those other ribbons that I got. I won't try to hold all 4 of them up at the same time, but isn't that beautiful? Anyway, I thought I would bring it to you because the ribbon at Costco is so inexpensive. You get 50 yards of ribbon, and I think it's $6.99 per roll. You cannot get it any cheaper, and it's wonderful quality ribbon. The rolls at the Dollar Tree are only 3 yards for $1. So if you spend $7, you get 21 yards of ribbon from Dollar Tree. This is 50 yards. So you will not run out of this ribbon if you are using ribbon in your holiday decorating. So thanks for tuning into this quick little haul video. I hope you'll go out and get some ribbon at your Costco, and maybe some candles from your Trader Joe's if you have one nearby, if you use candles in your decorating. And if you like this video, I hope you'll consider giving me a thumbs up. Lets me know you like the content I'm providing. If you're new to my channel, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. I love seasonal decorating, particularly tablescapes. Thanks again to everyone for watching, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Bye-bye.